Okay, that's good. Okay, so this is the place that I was talking about. So now, once you are done with that, you will go to the next button. And then the next button that we have is communities, which I've talked about. Then we come to your calendar. Your calendar. Okay. So this is what your calendar should look like when you click on calendar. You have your join with meeting. You already have a meeting with an ID, or if you want to create an instant one, you start meeting now. This one simply means like calling a WhatsApp call. That is this one. Then if you want to create a new meeting where you do a entire new meeting, this is where you do that. So once you want to schedule a new meeting, you can come here, look for the dates you are looking for, and then you schedule your meeting. But we are not looking for this. It's similar to what we've done before. And then we have our activity, you have your notifications here, and then if you are if there are mentions, if there are reactions and other notifications, you are going to get all of them in this place. So we will take questions now on Microsoft before we move to probably Teams before, sorry, we move to Slack. Okay, someone asked, why scheduling a meeting on Microsoft Teams? Can I use Teams as my location? Yes. Coach, please, I'm finding it difficult to create Team account. I know that sometimes this creating Microsoft Team can be very crazy. And that is why I said that you can chat me later, then I'll give you time when you can schedule a Google meeting between us. You share your screen and then I'll walk you through. Is that okay? Action. Is there anybody that have questions on Teams so that we can move to Slack? No question, because it's very simple. Very, very simple. So this is your meet now. This is your new message. If you want to send a message to someone, this is where you click on it, enter the person's name and email, and then you start your message.
I have a question, ma, please.
Okay. Go ahead. We are listening. Ask. Someone have a question. Can you please ask?
I have a question, please.
Okay. Please, ma, what did you do on that calendar? I didn't really get it.
Okay, so this is our calendar.
I'm asking about calendar. I didn't really get what you did there.
I
I was
didn't do
locked out.
anything. I only showed us that once you click your calendar, you should be able to either have join with an ID. So it simply means if there is already a meeting that is curated, maybe a meeting in your office,
Mm-hmm.
I'm giving you your login details, just like we did on Zoom. I created a link and then send the link. If you check the what I sent to the group, you're going to see login details. So this is it here. If the meeting is going to be held on Teams, you're going to see it here. And I said that who is writing on my board? Bikokwa. Then, and I said, this is me now. Like the way you used to call on WhatsApp. If I click on this, people are going to start joining this meeting. Now, this is a new, like schedule a new meeting. You want to schedule a meeting, just where you used to schedule a meeting, like the meeting that I scheduled it earlier before I sent the link. Is that okay?
Okay.
Now, and I say anytime you want to, if you come here, there is nothing hard with Teams, nothing at all at all. I also want to mention that it will be so difficult for a company to be using Teams, use Slack, and use Discord. It's not possible. Okay? Any company that is using Teams
Okay.
might not use Discord, might not use Slack. For instance, my own company uses Discord. Let me see if you can open here. Let me show you guys. Can you still see my screen?
Yes, we can.
What are you seeing on my screen? Let me know. Is this still Teams that is showing?
No, Microsoft Teams is still there. The calendar.
Okay, so let me share another thing now. Let me show you people how my this thing is. Okay, share. So I want to share. Okay, so I'm sharing a different thing now. So this is this code. This is how this code looks. So these are different. So this is my company. So this is what we use. Okay, this is what we use to communicate. And then if you come here, you're going to see different channels. You have the general channel. You have blah 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 blah. So this is this call. So if a company is using this, it is very rare that a company will use this and then use how they call it, um use Slack and then use. So if you are using,
Peshonzo.
I don't know the fuck so now, Jehovah, now.
You people should mute your mouth, please.
Oh, one more I beg, I don't tire to talk to adults. Okay, like I said,
Mute.
if you work in more than a company,
This person should mute now. Mute now.
they will not hear. They will never hear. Where is my Discord, sir? I can't even see it. What? Why? Don't you might say pushing it. Today I'm saying go. People should not wait for me. Tell him what I said. That's the only thing. Okay, so now if you work for more than a particular company, please let me even stop sharing this. Let me go back to what we were sharing before. Yes. So this is still your Teams. See, this is my Teams. Okay, so yes. So like I said, if it will be so rare for a company to, be work using Teams, Discord, and the Slack. It's not possible. They are going to use one out of these three because they does the same thing. It's just a communication tool. So another person have a question. Can you?
Yes, ma'am. Please, I have a question.
Okay, go
My
ahead.
question is that I was the one who asked if we can use Microsoft Teams as our location, and you said yes. But what I want to understand now, when it's time for us to fill in our location, do we use the link of our Microsoft team or we just type it in words as Teams?
No, they will see. If we click save in that meeting we are trying to create, it's automatically going to generate links for us. So you now copy it. So once the person comes and the person is going to see that this meeting is going to be held on Microsoft Teams.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so Favor said a lot of people have been asking for help to and guide them to set up a Microsoft account. Can you help address it? Okay, see what is going to happen tomorrow. Hopefully, I don't know the time, but tomorrow I have a lot of activities tomorrow. But tomorrow we are going to see if we can help one or two persons set up their Microsoft Teams. Okay? Tomorrow night we're going to do that. Is that okay? Okay, so in the absence of any other meeting, any other question, can we say farewell to Teams and then we'll go to Slack? I've told them. Yes, I'm doing something. Okay, so I'm removing Teams. I beg, nobody should come and ask. Why am I seeing a message on this thing? One new message. I beg. Let me share let me share a different thing. Let's go to Slack. Where is my Slack here? Where is my Teams? Let me scroll a little bit my Slack. Has my Slack disappeared? Okay, I closed it. Okay, sorry. I closed my Slack. Let me go and open it.
Please, ma, can you share your Slack link so that we can just follow you?
And Slack, no, now. Shebi Slack, general Slack, this thing was dropped in the WhatsApp group now. Just
Yeah, I
click
don't have
on it.
it. So.
Huh?
I don't have it, ma. Hey, let me go and
Let,
look for it.
don't worry, I
Yeah.
will share it now.
Thank you. Thank you.
While we are waiting, let me just look for. Okay, I'm waiting for my Slack to open. I will share it. Let me open my Slack.
Please, I want to ask, how do we log in Slack? Do we have to www.slack.com to log in?
Wait, I'm coming to hear you. Someone else is talking, making it difficult for me to hear you. Let me see. Okay, so you can ask a question now.
I said, how do we log in Slack? Do we have to do www.slack.com each time we want to sign in? Or is there a
If
way we
if
can
if you are using phone, the only this thing I normally advise people to do if we are in this class is to download Slack on your phone. It's easier on your phone. But if you are using your laptop, just come to your once you sign up, if anything that is going, you can now come to www.slack, whatever, and then log in your details for you to access Slack. Do you get? But
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
if you're using phone, it makes it easier for you. Very, very, very much easier. So I want to start sharing my Slack. My Slack is up now. So let's go to Slack. Can you see my Slack?
Yes, 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 ma'am.
Okay.
Who on fan? But this code.
So, like I did mention
Ma,
before,
please,
Off it entirely. I don't want fan.
let me see if I can mute everybody.
I have a question on this Slack.
I'm gonna ask before I continue. Ask your question. Okay. The question is not forthcoming, so we need to continue. So, like we did on Teams, we are still going to start with the buttons, okay? We also start with the buttons. So here is your home, where you have your home. So your home is like your dashboard. It's going to show you your recent conversation. It's going to show you if there's any update from your channels and if you have any direct message waiting for you. And then it's going to give you access to
Okay,
everything that you want to
please,
see.
ma. I'll
One moment. I'm going to ask. You will say you have a question. I will not say ask, and then I won't hear you again. Can you please ask the question?
Please, ma'am, mute everybody that are interrupting this session.
Okay, let me mute everybody again. But I thought we are adults. Mute everybody. Mute all. Yes. Okay. So now, Slack. I've talked about this, which is your home. Then we have DMs, direct messages. Okay. So it is a private conversation between you and another person. All these things are private DMs that have not even opened. All these are on red. I've not opened any of them. Okay. So Just like WhatsApp, it gives you one-on-one. Like now, all of us are in a group in WhatsApp, right? But it doesn't mean that one or two persons have not communicated each other. That is what DM does. Is that okay? Then we have our activity. Our activity has shows everything anywhere you are mentioned is going to show you. Okay? If there are replies to your messages, if there are emojis reaction to what you said in a group, you are going to see it here. If there are notification, everything like you are seeing it now, can see it. These are all the things. This is 20 minutes ago. I have this notification. I have this one. I have that one. There may be more. That is all about your words, your activities. Then you have your files. Your files has to do with, when a file is shared across your workspace or your workspaces. You're going to see it here. It could be in PDF form, it could be in Word document, it could even be video. Okay, maybe you and your friend, you could have your DMs, you could have been talking, and then the person went on a vacation and is what you want to send you an update through Slack. You're going to see all of them in this place. Is that okay? Then if you have our more and then the rest of it. Now, we want to come over to hurdles. What is a hurdle in a Slack? I will appreciate if someone can tell me this. Raise your hand and then I'm going to allow you to unmute. You can even unmute. Please, but I will appreciate if you raise your hand. Gene Hurdle. Okay, somebody. Okay. Kinsley, please unmute and tell us when you are through, you mute again. No, I'll ask Kinsley. Every other person, please, you can bring down your hand. Kinsley, unmute. Okay, let me ask you to unmute. Ask to unmute. Okay, unmute and talk.
Good evening, all.
Good evening.
Huddle is used to connect with members, just like a WhatsApp call or video call.
Thank you very much, Kinsley. That is just what it is. No addition, no subtraction. The only thing I wanted to ask is that a huddle can either be voice, you want to talk. It can also be you turn on your camera. I hope you know. It can also share your screen when you are doing huddle. So like he says, it's very simple. Once you click on these huddles and then you want to, start a huddle, the previous, last two sets before this one, most of our conversation was on huddle. Like on a daytime like this now, I will tell them that, okay, tomorrow we are going to talk on huddle. So once we, start up, everybody will join, we chat, we talk about our experiences, But this set, you people seems to be very senior people, senior citizens. Everybody is serious, So if not, I love, trying to explore Slack. That is when somebody will come and say, okay, I'm having difficulties with this, I'm having difficulty with that. One or two persons will prefer solutions. Do you get? Someone will be able, hey, let me look for this lane. So one or two persons will be able to tell you, okay, I was having the same experience, but this is what I was able to do. The person can even share screen immediately, instantly, and then you get yourself sorted out. So should we give it a try? Should we?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
okay. Let's see how next week is going to
Anything
be.
for this tech, I beg.
Okay, no problem. Anytime next week, we are going to have our huddle and then we see how it works. It used to be very sweet, so that like what this brother is talking about having difficulty opening their Microsoft. There and then, you will ask questions and then get solutions immediately. I'm looking for the our Slack this thing. But then, I don't know. I wanted to show you people how to easily find your links. Here is it. Here is it. I want to send it before
Ma,
the
can I ask you something, please?
yes, you can.
Okay, I was able to create this Slack, although
Okay, don't worry,
I
don't worry,
downloaded the app
sorry,
before the
sorry.
class.
Can you hear me?
So I created it out.
Okay, I wanted to tell you to hold on.
Yes,
Hold on, let's finish so that we'll take questions once,
I
okay?
can hear you, ma'am.
Hold on, let me finish so that we'll take questions once, okay?
Okay, okay,
So
it's
I'm
okay.
dropping the link to
It's
Slack
okay, ma'am.
because
All right,
here
ma'am.
now you can see that the only people in this place is 228. I have not created, okay, see what is going to happen. You know, we are not going to use the general Slack to do this. So someone should create a channel for us, okay, that we can use for our own um group group two. I've dropped it. I've dropped it. Okay, maybe I will do that later. I'll do that later. Drop the link and then everybody will join. It will become easier for us to talk. Okay, so
Sorry, ma'am, but Damitech already created a Slack group for this a group for this for group 2.
okay, so we are going to use it. I will search for it there and then we are going to use it. Okay, so this is all about your Huggle. So I've sent it to the group. I mean, the general one. I just send it to the group. Now, the next button we have is that directories. So what does it do? It's just like having a list, of everyone that is in this workspace. Everybody that is in this workspace is here. Can you see it? All the 620 something people that we have, this is it. Everybody is here. This is what directories does. Now, if this is your office clerk, and then you want to send a message to your friend, a direct message to your friend, or to someone, or your boss asks you to, okay, search for Juliet or search for Bethel, and then send her a message, tell her this, share this file with her. And you've not communicated with Bethel, and in your Slack people are up to 500. Because you have this person's name, what do you come here and do? You search. Can you see it? If you come here and search Bethel, can you see we are saying Bethel Nicholas? If the person's name is John, you can search for John. You are saying Johnson, John Rhodes, John Ume, you are saying Johnson. So you scroll down and look for the particular person you are looking for. Is this one clear? Yes, it is. Now we have your own channel, you have your user groups, you have the external, you have your invitation. So if you need to invite people, this is where you come and do that. So this is all about your directories. Now you have your start.
Yes.
This one is easy now, just the way we start messages. Like all these messages we are sending to, when people say pin important messages, sometimes it allows you to pin just 3 messages. So if you pin the first one, pin the second one, pin the third one. If you want to pin the fourth one, it's going to override the first pin you've done and then pin this latest one. So what I tell people is if you belong in a group, especially in this class people are doing now, learn how to style your messages. In that WhatsApp group, any message you think, okay, this message is important, go and start it. Once you start it simply means that once you click on your start messages, you're going to see all those messages. You will not miss anyone again. Is that clear? So that is what start does for us. I've been able to explain all this, your channels, your random, so the channel simply means group conversation. Okay? And then we have our general, which is where people have their general discussions, whether if there is important announcement, if there is an update, that is where it goes. And then for random, For random, you might ask, but it's just a casual thing where people come, it's an unofficial, whatever, you come, you have your chit chat, you talk, you interact, and then you keep moving. Then we have our tech. This tech is like, just like what tech means. If you're having a difficulty, trying to assess something, for instance, we are having huddle now, and then you can't hear anybody. You can come here on this tech and tell your teammates, hello, I can't hear, I don't know, I can't hear anyone. My mic is not working. This is it. You come here and type that. My mic is not working. They say, okay, can you screenshot? You now screenshot and be able to attach it. I have series of messages. Please let me check. And then we continue. As teacher not use this, okay. My network. I think mine doesn't require a subscription. I've been able to start a video call on eBay. I don't have any contact that can join me. Okay, please can we explore mom like what others? Okay, yes, we will. Okay, you can just so nothing serious. Okay, so this is the next one we have is our ad channels. So if you want to create a channel, like I was saying that someone should create a channel for our group, but Danny has also created for us, so we're going to use that. But this is where you can come and create your channel. If, for instance, people are about 3, 4, 5 working in a company, and then you want to have a little space for yourselves, you can just come here, create it, name it, and then you people, just for the four of you, where you can come and talk. They can even be having huddle, and you come here and be saying, look at what this person doesn't even know how to speak English. You just come here, just your own secret place, a little place people have your chat, and look at this boss. This promise he made us, he promised us it's going to increase by 10%. This month is giving us the same promise. The last time that we're supposed to give us a bonus, he didn't implement that. This is where, you create your own channel for you and a little people that have the same like minds. They will bring your legs out. So what I'm trying to say is when you're having this kind of conversation, you should be very careful of people you have in this kind of a thing. If it's not people that like gossip, they're going to screenshot you post conversation and they take it to the management, then you'll be fired. That will be the end of you. So I think I've been able to exhaust all this, and then we are running out of time again. No wahala. If it finishes, we are joining back. I don't want this meeting to pass more than 3. So all these now are my direct messages where you reply your messages and all that. Time for questions. Let me check how many minutes we have. We have 9 minutes. I think these 9 minutes can take us, take a long way for us to take questions. Someone wanted to ask question on Slack. So here is it. Ask a question. So that we can finally do
Okay.
I know okay.
Okay, I've joined with the link that was shared. I don't know, is this Danny Tech link or Mr.
No, this
Clean's
is just look at it. This is June, July class. So it's a general
class?
class. Yes, look at it. June, July class 26. Have you seen
Okay.
it? So this is
Yes,
the general
yes.
group. So for the one of Danny Tech, I'm going to search through it in the group and also bring it on.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome. Any other question?
Sorry, excuse me, ma. Danny Tech's group is June, July 2026.
Okay, is the link we are talking about?
He's in the group and he pinned it, I think so.
If you go now, you might not see it. Let me check if it's still there. Let me check all the pin messages so I can bring it forward. Like I said, if you pin something, it doesn't hold so many pins. No, I can't see it again. So please help others to get it. After this class, I'm going to Excuse me. I'm going to open the group so that we can talk. Any other question so that we can quickly take you and then everybody should go and sleep. This is past 9. Any other
Yes,
question?
coach. Please.
Okay.
Yes, I have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
The link you just sent to the group now,
Mm.
the Slack link, I tried joining because I already set up my Slack on my phone. It's asking me to sign in again. So I don't know.
It's asking you to sign in.
Yes.
Okay.
Like I have a Slack app on my
Okay.
phone already. So the Slack link you just sent,
Yes,
I tried
definitely
joining.
asks
It's
you,
taking
yes.
me back. It's
Mm.
taking me back to like sign in again.
Is it sign in or sign up? If you want to enter any
Signing is saying, let me read out what it's saying. It's saying you are signing back to Slack.
Okay, don't worry.
You are signing back into Slack.
Okay, it's okay. It's something that both of us can sort, okay? Later you come to WhatsApp. Is that okay?
Can I ask the Slack question now?
No, let me be sure that she's okay.
My question is on Slack.
Okay. Okay. I'm listening.
Okay. I created my Slack account already before the class, but I think I made a mistake somewhere. Like this your own, this one you're using to teach us June, July class. Then it's showing that this icon JC.
Your
I
voice is
think for
seriously.
the love of digital witch, I used digital witch on my own when I created it. So I don't know how I'm going to maybe change the name to my name so I can easily identify it.
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying, ma?
I am trying to, seriously. I'm trying to see what is going to happen. Maybe after the class, use voice notes and tell me. It might take time for me to reply, but definitely I'm going
Hello,
to
ma.
reply. Can you hear me? Your network is actually bad. Your network is actually bad because at the time your voice was breaking. Okay? So please.
Yes, ma. I'm hearing you, ma.
So maybe next,
Okay.
I said come to WhatsApp, we will sort that out. I wanted to
Okay.
there's a question
Okay.
someone asked in the group in this chat that I want to address before
Okay.
this thing will end, because I have 4 minutes here. So I am going to share a different this thing now. I want to share a different window now. So let me share this one now. So someone asked in the group, in the chat, that what if he or she belongs to different companies? Now, these are all the Slack accounts I belongs to. So if you work in more than, okay, I hope you can still see it. So if you work in more than one company, right? If you work in more than
Yes,
work
ma.
in more, this is how it's going to show. You are seeing June, July class 26, you are seeing June, July accountability group 1 IT, you are seeing group. These are different ones I belong to. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. There is still more 5 to show. Say show more work,
Yes.
show 5 more workspaces.
Yes, ma.
I also have other workspaces. So if you are working in more than one, once you come here, once you sign into your Slack account, I just chose to open the other one because I just want to use this to teach, because that is the one we belong to. But if you belong to more than one, let me show all this one so that people understand what I'm saying. So look at it. Do you see how many they are? So even if this is your workspaces, anyone you want to, once you log into your Slack account, you can be able to come. This one has about 515 members. This one has about 106 members, 22, 225, 10 members. If you keep going down, this one has about 146, 197, 5 days. So this is how it is. Is that okay? I was also invited for this one in the last 4 years. I've not even joined it. So if I want to join it, I will just join it and I will be there. So that is how it works. You will see it lined up like this. And then anyone you want to talk, then you should be able to join that workspace. Just like you now having WhatsApp. In your WhatsApp now, you belong to so many groups. Abby, you belong to so many groups in your WhatsApp. That is how your own Slack is. It's also a communication tool like your WhatsApp. Some companies don't even use all these things because of when you need to do some stuff, it may ask for you to pay. Some companies even prefer to use WhatsApp. Okay, so it depends on what your company wants to use. So we have 1minute, 50-something seconds for this to end. Then we join for the last one for our Zoom, and we know we are done. The only thing that we're doing on Monday is HubSpot. So any other question on this? No. So once this thing ends, we'll be joining back so that I can be able to send you people links to all the classes we have today. You have your weekend to be able to rewatch all your videos and then practice. Okay, so I will try to send the videos this night. In the absence of it, I think, should we end? I know that we have room to do maybe on Sunday or Monday. What do you think?
Let's end, Coach Betty.
Let's end, Abby.
No, please, let's not end. One more, please. One more.
Let's end and digest the
please
ones you have taught
end the
us.
class, please.
Let's
Let's
end.
go and practice the
The
ones we
network
learned,
is the
please.
network is not friendly at all.
It's okay.
Let's
So
end.
it's okay. So